Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, it's been a while. Okay, so sorry, the scenery is kind of different. We're kind of fixing the house and stuff, so everything is like kind of all over the place. So the only place I have is my bedroom, my son's bed. Okay, so I know I've been gone for a while, but here I am back with unboxing. And please bear with me, I'm so sorry about the light here, and if you hear little kids screaming or something, it's my kids outside. I hope all of you guys are staying healthy and stay safe. Wash your hands, don't touch your face, and just social distance, okay? Please be safe out there and God bless. All right, so let's get to it. And yes, I already sanitized all this. I sprayed it down. But yeah, all right, let's get to it. Okay, I'm not sure which one is this, but I ordered a couple. I think it's a Gucci Marmont. I hope it is. And you guys, now Nancy charges for shipping. I don't know if you guys are getting charged or not, but I am. With this one, I got charged $30, and it still took like 3 weeks to get to me. First, she said she was going to use UPS, and then I guess she couldn't. So it ended up being DHL. And I thought DHL is usually fast, but again, with all this COVID-19 going on, so yeah. Okay, did not sanitize the inside, but I'm not going to touch my face. All right, this is the first one. Let's get to it. Okay, I hope I don't cut anything important. I think I ordered Gucci Marmont and the disco bag. I know I got a disco bag from Andy a long time ago for free, but hers is just way overpriced and it's the same quality as Nancy. Okay. Here is the dust bag, like always. Nice and smooth and silky, not too thin, like, you know. But it is a little bit thinner than the original, I have to say. So I think her quality of dust bags kind of went down. But it's just a dust bag. Okay, now here is the main. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, hold on. Okay. Okay, help me. I don't know how to open this. You know what, forget it. I'm not gonna be nice. How do you guys open a Marmont bag? Oh, here, there's a little, I almost broke the bag. There's a little button right there. So it closes like that. And then once you're gonna open it, you just push that button and it lifts up. Okay, guys. So the inside is just a strap. Oh, and it's baby pink. How cute. Okay, so it comes with this, which we don't really need. And like always, Gucci thing to keep it from getting, you know, damp or whatever. Okay, sorry, I'm mumbling. Okay, so this is how it looks on the inside, guys. So cute. Pink, and this is the leather part, and this is supposedly suede, or I don't know, microfiber or something, but it's pretty cute and soft. And here's the bag. Like I said, I'm really sorry about the lighting, guys. Okay, let's get to the straps. Okay, I'm kind of scared that this bag is going to be too small. Okay, so here it is. Okay, this is the strap. You see that? There you go, and the chain. Okay, so I don't know people how they use it. Probably like this, huh? But yep, this is the bag. Now, let's move on, or should we do one video? Nah, let's just move on. I'm like, I don't have time to make all those videos. Okay. Oh, there's 3 bags. Okay. What did I order? Okay, so this is the second one. Oh, okay, I remember now. But I did 2 separate payments. Okay, so this one, I think it's Gucci Marmont. Another one. See, this quality of this dust bag is totally different than that one. This is how it is. Oh, that's cute. Okay, so it's kind of like a nude color. Oh, and it's leather, guys. I can smell it. Same kind of thing. Okay. So this is the bag. On the inside is suede, so it's totally, sorry, I'm speeding up. Okay, so this is the bag itself. And isn't it cute, guys? Look at the GGs, the stitching. There's a little heart in the back. Oops. Here you go. And this is the bottom. And it's soft, guys. Okay. Okay, so on the inside, again, comes with a care booklet and with the cereal in the back. And there you go. This nice sweet pink in there. Okay, let me take out this part. I know, I'm not gentle with it anymore. Like in my previous videos, if you guys are my regular subscribers, you would see how gentle I am with the bags. But I'm like, it's gonna end up being the same thing anyway. Okay, so here it is. And the strap is pretty nice. It's not, you know, so cheap feeling. It has weight to it. And it's like that. You know, it's a shoulder bag. Well, I could only use it like that because I'm not petite. But okay, let me know what you guys think of these bags, okay? Moving on. Where's that? Okay. This one. I believe this is the disco bag. And you know what? After I'm done with this video, next week, I'm gonna compare this one with the ones that I got from Andy. See what's the differences, okay? And I gotta say, after I used Andy's bags for, I think, less than a week, the structure of the bag itself, you know, like there's like a little metal lining on the side of the disco bag to keep it square, kind of square shape. That one was like already losing its shape, and I'm like, bummed. Like, really? Okay, so here it is. And I got it in the black, of course. Oh, smells like leather. Okay. Okay, pretty cute. It's cute. Okay, and then you could, sorry. You could adjust the length of the bags right here. You see that? I have mine all the way in the bottom because I'm tall and not small. Okay, so this is the bag. I think it looks better than Andy. I don't know. You guys can go back on those videos and check it out. All right, and then the pebbles on the leather here, it's more noticeable. So I don't know if that's a good thing or bad thing. You guys let me know. Here's the back part of it. You see it? All right. Okay. Looks and feel like that one. Okay, so here's the Gucci inside. It has also the serial number. Yep, in the back here. It's black, you can't really see it. And there's also this little, oh, I touched my face. Ah! Okay, there's also this little tag here. Yeah, oh, you know what? Nancy's kind of feel more sturdier than Andy's. Okay, I'm gonna do a comparison video for you guys next week. Or right now, but I'll post it next week. Okay. All right, so that is it, guys. What do you think? And this one does have that little gap in between the metal hook thing here. But I think Andy's has more like a bigger gap. So I'm gonna have to look into that to see which one is more accurate. Focus. All right. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching my video, and thank you for, you know, still being my subscribers. Almost done, baby. All right, my little monkey is already calling me. I hope all of you guys are, you know, safe out there, and for all you small businesses owners, I feel for you, because I recently opened a spa for like 7 months, and because of all this happening, I have to close it down, but bills are still need to be paid. You know, I still have to pay the rent of the spa and everything else. So I feel what you guys are feeling, and I understand, and we will get through this. But our health and our family's health is more important. So enough said. Just God bless, and I'll see you next time. Bye.